This video will show you how to replace the base and casters on a Think V2 chair. First, lay the chair on its seat or back on a soft furniture pad. To remove and replace the casters, simply pull them away from the base. Use a mallet to hit the outer rim of the cylinder. Continue to do this until the base comes off the cylinder. Do not hit the inner cylinder rod. Place the new base onto the cylinder and then firmly push the new casters into place. Turn the chair over and sit in the chair to complete the installation. You are now ready to use your Think V2 chair.